be testing today Wella Color Fresh. I have basically quite many shades of yellow right now, so the instruction is not important. That's wrong. Always read instruction. Back on Cosmetologist on Demand. Today we'll be doing a review and testing of Toner WELla 6.5 pH silver tone. Why I'm doing that? Because I feel that my blonde color after coloring went really yellow, so it's time to tone it a bit, and I wanted to achieve more silver tone. Just take a look into the tones. I have basically quite many shades of yellow right now, yeah, to start I need to wash my hair and put a conditioner on them, and then we'll put the toner on wet hair. So I will be with you with wet hair in a second. Okay, I took a shower and I put some clothes that will be more comfy, and I'm not worried that I will destroy them. So it's like an execution t-shirt and trousers, just in case, you know, it will get messy here. So this is how my hair look when they are wet. We'll be testing today Wella Color Fresh 8 towards 81, 6.5 pH with tone silver. Yes, so the instruction is not important. Wrong! Always read instructions, especially if you're messing with your own hair. And if it's blonde, it's a murder for not reading instruction. Yes, so the toner is super purple. You should put it on your dried with towel hair, in gloves, of course. Protect yourself directly from the bottle. So I think I will go to the bathroom to not make this room messy as hell. Okay, see you in the bathroom. I'll also take black towel that I don't care about, just to protect one more time my body. I have no idea how this treatment is coloring clothes, so and the skin. So let's get started. On the instruction it's written that we should keep the color, the toner, sorry, on our hair, especially when it's silver edition, from 5 to 20 minutes, and my goal is to keep it like 12, somewhere in the middle, because I don't want to damage my hair, and I also don't want to have purple hair, so I chosen to put it for 12 minutes. Let's keep protection for a while. Wait! I'm back. Okay, more. So on the hair, it's actually changing towards something kind of silver. It's not purple. That's good. You can see my tip of my hair. I'm not afraid that I will So I have it on now. I will keep it for like 12 minutes. So yeah, see you. Hi, I just washed my hair. I'm jumping in just for a second to show you how the color looked like after washing without blowing it. I think I'm somewhere in between. I have some parts that will be silver and some parts that are not yellow but blonde, and I'm very curious how it will look like. It could be my lack of experience. I'm not a hairdresser, but it looks weird. Yeah, what I did, I just washed it with warm water as it's written on the instruction, and I just put a conditioner from GRASSY. I'm using this series. Just to put everything together. Basically, I have shampoo from GRASSY Discipline, the orange edition, and shampoo, conditioner, and also spray antifreeze care spray, and that is really good. I can review this one for you if you want. Amazing product. So yeah, this is what is on my hair, and I will blow it now. So let's see how it will look like. And I'm back. So this is the color. What do I think? I think I'm not a professional, so I didn't cover everything fully, but some parts are definitely silver and others are toned into kind of cooler color. For example, I wanted to focus a lot on the fringe. I just hate how my fringe was yellow. It was terrible for me. I was complaining at home all the time, and I think it looks much better. Let's see the back. I have no idea. I have no idea how did it look in the back, but I will see on this video as well. All in all, I'm satisfied. I don't know how long it will be on my hair. This is temporary solution. It's not the color, it's toning, so maybe it will disappear after 2 weeks, 1 month, 1 week. I don't know. If you are curious, just write a comment on this video, and I will share with you this information when I will get to know more. It doesn't have unpleasant smell during the process. I think that's also important, that you don't have to, you know, open the door to your bathroom back and forth just to avoid the smell. I used half of the bottle, so I have still half for the next treatment. I don't think my hair are more damaged, but as I said, I also used GRASSY, and I don't have any oil right now on my hair, and I will put it immediately after recording this video to my ends. So yeah, guys, what do you think? I think it's quite cool. So thank you very much for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to stay on my channel, please subscribe. It will mean a world for me. So yeah, see you next video. Bye.